Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling a super classic highly scoring problem from JEE Mains 26 involving indefinite integration and logarithm. First, we will break it down step by step. We will see its pure algebra and basic calculus. Let's solve this together. Let's start by tackling at our function fx. Fx is equals to 8 into 2x plus 3 divided by x square plus 2x minus 15. Notice the quadratic equation in the denominator. We can easily factorize this into x minus 3 into x plus 5. Whenever we see a linear term in numerator and distinct linear factor in the denominator, we can solve it by partial fraction. So a by x minus 3 plus b by x plus 5. Multiplying both sides by denominator gives 2x plus 3 is equals to a into x plus 5 plus b into x minus 3. Now on comparing coefficient of a x and constant from both sides, we will get equation 2 is equals to a plus b, which is 2 minus b is equals to a. Now by substituting a is equals to 2 minus b in equation second, we have a is equals to 9 by 8 and b is equals to 7 by 8. And integrating both the terms gives fx is equals to 9 into log of x minus 3 plus 7 into log of x plus 5 plus c. Always remember to add the constant of integration, which is I denote here c. To find c, we have f of 4 is equals to 14 log of 3. Now, let's substitute x is equals to 4 into our fx. So, we have 9 is into log of 1 plus 7 into log of 9 plus c. Now, we know log of 1 is 0 and log of 9 we can write it 2 into log 3 and 2 into 4 is 14. So, 14 log 3 is equals to 14 log 3 plus c. So, c is equals to 0. Also, we are given x is equals to 7. Just substituting x is equals to 7 in fx, we have 9 log of 4 and we are given log f of 7 is equals to log 2 to the power alpha into 3 to the power beta. And substituting 7 in fx, x is equals to 7, we have 9 into log 4 plus 7 into log 12. We can write 4 into 3 for 12. So, by formula of logarithm, we can write alpha into log 2 plus beta into log 3 is equals to, now I will write right hand side in terms of log 2 and log 3 so that we can compare log 2 and log 3 and we have alpha is equals to 32, beta is equals to 7 and adding these two terms alpha plus beta we have 39 and there is our final answer 39. Thank you.